Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Looking to create a sleek password page for your clothing brand on Shopify? Whether you're prepping for a big launch, want to build anticipation, or simply need a private storefront while you set things up, this video will walk you step by step through making a custom password page that works as a stylish placeholder for your store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a branded password page, customize its look, and welcome visitors with just the right message. All right, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to your Shopify admin page. This is the control center for your store, where every update and customization happens. If you're already familiar with Shopify, you know your admin dashboard is the launchpad for everything. But if this is your first time, just log in using your Shopify credentials. Once you're in, take a minute to look around and make sure you're comfortable. You can always pause the video here if you need to get set up. Next, on the left sidebar, you'll see a menu item labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This section is where you manage everything related to your website's look and feel. Within the online store, you'll find a Customize button right next to your main store theme. Click on Customize. This opens up Shopify's theme editor, and from here, you get a live preview and editing tools for your store's layout. Now, here's a neat trick. At the top of the theme editor's screen, there's a drop-down menu that defaults to Home Page. Click on this drop-down and type in Password. You'll see an option pop up for Password Page. Select it, and Shopify will send you straight to the password-protected landing page that visitors see when your store is locked. This is where the fun starts. You can start making this page really feel like your own. Look for options to edit the layout and design. If you want your password page to stop visitors in their tracks and give them a taste of your brand's vibe, you can upload your own banner image. Maybe you have a high-quality photo from your last photo shoot, or you want to show off your logo big and bold. If you don't have custom images ready, Shopify offers a collection of free banner images you can choose from, so you can still create a polished look without spending hours on design. You'll also want to take a look at the text area. This is your chance to hype up your audience, share a quote, or simply give folks a little background about your brand while they're waiting to get inside. For example, you can write something like, "Launching soon. Drop your email below for first access." Don't be afraid to make it personal. This small touch can make all the difference, especially if you're building excitement for a drop. Another detail you can tweak is your theme scheme or background colors. This option helps your password page match your overall branding. So if your clothing line is all about earthy neutrals, bold neons, or sleek monochrome, you can pick a color theme and background that fits your aesthetic. Take an extra moment here to experiment. You might be surprised at how much a simple color change elevates your page. And honestly, that's it. Once you've customized your banner, text, and colors, your password page is ready to go. Visitors will now see this stylish landing page and need a password to enter, giving you full control over who gets early access to your products or launch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It helps us reach more creators like you. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want tips for building your brand, and make sure to subscribe for more easy Shopify tutorials and e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck building that brand.